Oh, do I have a good wig to show you today. I can't wait to show you all the details about this. This is Envy's Gia Mono, and this color is Sahara Blonde. Now, first, before we go any further, I want to call something to your attention. This is definitely a rooted shade, as you can see. On the tag of this, and I don't know if my camera will pick it up, it says Sahara Blonde. But this is definitely a rooted shade. So when you go to look at it, I just want you to have that in mind, keep that in mind. This color is 1426 R8. It is beautiful. This wig was provided to me by Envy and is available at Wig Studio One. Now the Gia Mono wig is inspired by the original Gia wig, but this one has the most beautiful mono top. I'm going to show you all about the inside of the cap, but this is just a beautiful, fun style. I love all the movement of this. The fibers are so soft. This is a synthetic fiber. Permatease, y'all. Let me feel. If there is some permatease at the nape of this wig, for sure. It's open wefted. Like I said, I'm going to show you the cap, but it has this mono top, so you can part this anywhere, and it runs all the way to here. It is a large mono top. It has a lace front. I want you to see this beautiful extended lace front. There's my bio hair here and here, so it has nice coverage. But look at these waves. It's, I'd say, a light to medium density. The waves are just gorgeous on this. I love the style of this. I like wavy wigs like this. I think they're beautiful. This is a really nice length in my opinion. This doesn't rub on your collar, so you're not going to get that wear and tear. And it is just so nice. I also want to call to your attention, when Envy, I love their packaging. I think they just really do a nice job. They send these take care cards with their wigs. Don't forget to have a look at this. This gives you information of how to care for this wig, how to wash it, condition it, dry it, everything you need to know. Really, really good information. There are 2 cards in this one, and this one tells you how to take care of this curl pattern on this style. I think this is a great addition that Envy has provided. All right, let me insert some video here of the inside of this cap. This is called Envy's SoSoft cap design. It really is beautiful. This is a double layer of soft lace on the lace front and on the mono top. And I'm going to show you in this little video how you can see that double mono. That is a beautiful feature. And I wish more wigs had that. It is so soft. It is so comfortable. That large mono top offers you all those different parting areas like we talked about. It also has an extended lace front, closed ear tabs with stays, an extended felt nape, and it has pull adjusters. Beautiful job on the cap of this Gia Mono. Now the specs on Gia Mono, the front of this is 8 inches. The crown is 8.5. The sides on Gia Mono are 6.5. Nape 3, weight 2.8 ounces. Lots and lots of just such realistic, natural movement in this. Yeah. Now let's talk about this color. This wig is available in 30 different colors. Now I'm going to insert some video here of it in different lighting. Remember, I'm only using a ring light to film this, overhead lights, and some windows. This color, Sahara Blonde, 1426 R8, described as a rooted, natural, medium blonde. And I do agree with that. This is a rooted medium blonde. But let's dig just a little bit deeper into that. The 14 is a medium ash blonde. The 26 in this is a gold blonde, and there's definitely gold blonde here. And the 8, of course, is your root. It's a light chestnut brown. So I want you to see that. So we have shades of blonde in here, some golden blonde, some ash blonde, and then we have a brown root. Now, styling this wig. I have some of Envy's Get Dressed. Have you tried this? Invisible Texturizer and Shine Diminisher. This is great for synthetic fiber. I love this. I use this. I like a texturizing spray. I'm going to spray a little on here just to kind of separate these fibers. It will also take the shine down a little. But this is a nice product. If you haven't tried this, give it a try. You can see that separated those fibers, gave it some texture, give it a little life here. I really, really like that product. And like we said, it has this mono top. So if you want to change it, you can. You'll have to work with it a little bit. Maybe spray some water on it. If you want to change it, you can change the parting anywhere within that mono top. You can easily change the part if you prefer the part on the other side, down the middle, whatever's your preference. You can do that with this beautiful mono top on this wig. I love that. This is nice. I'm so glad they did that with this wig. I'm glad that we have these options now. You can pull it back and put a pin in it. Lots of different ways to wear this. Just a lovely, lovely job. Look how pretty the waves are. I just think this has so much movement. It's so natural. Just a beautiful, beautiful style. Thanks for stopping by my channel today and having a look at this wig from Envy Gia Mono. I hope you enjoyed this. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again soon.